everybody, I just wanted to show you another variation of a quesadilla, and I'm using pita bread. So as this goes along, I will show you what I do. Okay, on my pita bread I have a mixture of ranch dressing and salsa with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of oregano. I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to put on some chicken, onion, jalapeno slices, and red pepper. Here we go. Here's all the chicken, red pepper, onion, jalapenos on there, and then I'm going to put on some Colby Jack cheese. Now I'm just going to put on the other pita bread on top. Okay, I'm going to smash it down a little bit, and I'm going to put it over low heat, and I'm going to cook it until it gets brown on one side. Then I'm going to flip it over, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, let me show you what else I did. After my quesadilla was done, I put sour cream on top with some sliced tomatoes. I chopped them up, and then I put some cilantro on there, and I just cut it up. It's so much easier to eat than using tortilla. It's more filling, and we just love it. Let me know if you like this recipe. See you later.